showing you how to replace a rearview mirror on a 2005 BMW 330i. So the problem I have with my car here is, you see this discoloration right here? I think some kind of film or something leaked out. So I'm going to be replacing this whole mirror.
Hey,
So you twist it out.
it was too easy. An arrow on it. There's an arrow that. Okay, let's see. I gotta get it out of the way.
You just have to slide it to the side.
Move it clear a little bit, that way it clears this. Move it that way and then it pops out the same way in. Twist it. It's in solid. Let's see if everything works. Plug it in. Hopefully it plugs in. Okay, plugs in. There we go.
I got help from my dad's friend installing the mirror. Thank you.